Hi everyone! Today I brought to you this very stylish tote bag. I got the large size from it and it comes in many sizes, in different sizes. It comes in a medium as well. It has 14 pockets from outside, including 2 mesh side pockets. This is like humongous, alright? So you can fit so many items inside of it. It has this bendable base so you can put it in or not, depends on what you want. It has this little wristlet as well to put like your makeup, your money, whatever you want. To show you how big this bag is. So this is like a full-size towel, all right? Look at this, huge, right? You can as well fit this, more books. Look at this, you can still fit much more stuff inside of it. It has this amazing side pocket where you can just put your laptop on the side from here and just secure it. It's amazing. This is amazing. Or iPad. This bag, tote bag, works best for teachers, for working women, for going out to the beach. If you're a coach mom, it has many pockets from inside. As well, as you can see, it has mesh and regular pockets on the other side. Here, 1, 2, and 3, and then another 1, 2, 3. This tote bag is very stylish and amazing, and I highly recommend it. It comes in many colors. It has this zipper, so you can zip it up. Use these handles. Or this shoulder handle, it comes extra with it, and it's extendable. And wear it and just go. It's really nice, right? I love it. I hope you like my little video and stay stylish.